Hello children, myself Shubhaya Pathak Kulkarni. I am going to continue 3.4 exercise second main. So third question. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number. The sum of a digit of a two-digit number is 9. So we don't know what the digit of two-digit number. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9 means we don't know what is the two-digit of that number. So let in number two-digit number, two-digit number. Let in unit place t what is the value. In unit place what value is there? Let that digit be x with you. And in 10th place, two-digit number is two numbers to be there. So in 10th place, the digit what is there in the 10th place, that number be y. We don't know, we have to find out those two now. So let the digit in the unit place be x and the digit in the 10th place be y. We have take it connected and we don't know the variable value. So we will find out that only. That only the code for us to find out. So then the sum of those two digits is 9 they give in the statement. Sum of those two digits. Unit digit plus 10th digit value is 9 they give. According to that sentence, I can write it now. I have taken now let the unit digit be x and the 10th digit be y. The sum of those two digits is 9 according to the statement of this question. So you call this as equation number 1. Then if in unit place x digit is there, in 10th place y is there, then the number it becomes, now we can write it. 10th place 10 into whatever digit is there that it comes. And unit digit that is unit. The number it becomes in this manner there. So this is number. See now, one example I am going to give now. See now. Now you take any two-digit number. How you can write it? Now you want to write 45. So 5 is in unit place. So unit place digit be this. 4 is in 10th place. 4 into 10 I can write it. In this manner, this is the example I gave now. Here I can write it now. See, let the unit digit be x and y in the 10th place. So y digit is there. 10th place value is so 10 into y I can write it. And the number it becomes in this manner. So this is the number. Generally I have written what the number. So that number is equal to. That number is equal to. So what they give in the statement? 9 times that number. 9 times that number. The number it becomes in this manner. 9 times that number is equal to twice the reverse digit of that number. The digits is the digits are going to reverse. So x it comes in the 10th place and y it comes in the unit place. So see here reverse digit of that number. So this is the number. The digits are reversed here. So 9 times the number, it will be equal to twice the reverse digit of that number. According to the sentence, I have written the equation. Then simplify now. 9 into 10 y, 9 into 9 10 is 90y. Plus into plus plus. 9 into x, 9x is equal to 2 10s are 20 x plus into plus plus. 2 1s are 2y. So all x one side divided 20x plus 2y as it is divided. We will take these two digits that side. So then it becomes minus 95 minus 9x is equal to 0. Any term is not there that side, so it will be equal to 0. Now like variables, 20x minus 9x is equal to 11x plus 2y minus 95 is equal to minus 88y is equal to 0. So in both the numbers are going in 11 tables, so you divide by 11. So then it becomes x minus 8y is equal to 0. So x minus 8y it is according to general form of linear equations in variable. You call this as equation number 2. Now we got the linear equations in two variables, equation 1 and equation 2. From 1 and 2 by elimination method, both the equations we write it. X plus y is equal to 9, this is equation number 1, and x minus 8y is equal to 0, this is equation number 2. Then we have to eliminate one of the variable by elimination y is equal to 9 by 9, 9 ones are cancelled, y value I got it 1. After getting one of the variable value here, you substitute this substitute y is equal to 1 in any equation. In equation 1 or in equation 2. So I substituted it in equation 1. So x plus y is equal to 9 is the equation 1 now. So we will consider equation 1. In this equation 1, y value is substitute 1. In place of y, we will substitute 1. Then x plus 1 is equal to 9. Then x is equal to 9 minus 1. X is equal to 8. Therefore, the number is yx. What we kept, let the unit digit be x and the 10th digit be y. Let the 2-digit number be yx. So we got the value of y and x. We substitute that value, the given number, what we are finding, find the number they gave, that number it becomes 18. 8 is in unit place and 1 is in 10th place. The number, given number, 2-digit number is 18. See that? Copy down. Okay, children, we will move on to the next question. Fourth question. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. She wanted only rupees 50 and rupees 100 only for total 2000 rupees. Meena got 25 notes totally. How many notes they gave? Cashier gave. He gave 25 notes. The number of notes it is in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. Only we know now total notes how many she got, 25. But we don't know how many 50 rupees notes she got and how many 100 rupees notes she got. So to find out what we don't know, we keep it that as variable only. Later, number of rupees 50 notes be x. What she got, let the number of rupees 50 notes be x will be it. And the number of rupees 100 notes be y will be it. Then totally how many notes they got? She got 25 notes. So according to the statement of this question, rupees 50 notes plus rupees 100 notes, totally how many notes she got? These are the number of notes. Rupees 50 notes, rupees 100 notes be kept. Let the number of notes of rupees 50 be x. Let the number of rupees 100 notes be y. The total number of notes is 25 they give. Cashier gave totally 25 notes. So the number of notes rupees 50, the number of notes rupees 100 is equal to total notes how many she got, 25. So according to that we can write x plus y is equal to 25. You call this as equation number 1. And if she got it like this way, 50 rupees 50 notes, this is the amount of 50 rupees. 100 rupees y note she got. So this is the amount of 100 rupees how much she got it. Totally 2000 rupees she wanted change from the cashier. She wanted withdraw 2000 rupees of rupees 50 and rupees 100 only. So total amount is 2000 she wanted. But 50 rupees x notes and 100 rupees y note she got it. Totally sum of these two should be equal to amount. These are number of notes. These are amount how much she got it. Of 50 rupees, of 100 rupees total amount. So now if I let see 50, 100 and 2000, it will go in 50 table. So you divide by 50 all the three terms. You are going to get x plus 2y is equal to 40. So then if I divide, I got it the simplest form. You call this as equation number 2. From by elimination method, both the equation you consider now. X plus 2y is equal to 25, x plus 2y is equal to 40. So x the same variable is there, but sign is also same. So I have to change the sign, means you change the sign of all. Then I changed. So one variable, that x variable will eliminate. Plus 5 minus 2y then you take this 15 this side, then x value I got it 10. What we kept, let the number of 50 rupees notes we kept it as x. So that value I got it 10. Therefore, by observing this two variables value, what we kept, let the number of notes of rupees 50 be x, let the number of notes of rupees 100 be y. We got both the variable value, x value, y value. So x value is 10 means that is rupees 50 notes. There are 10 rupees 50 notes, and y value 15 means there are 50 100 rupee notes are there. They don't for us to find out that much. Okay, children, write down. Children, I am going to continue fifth question in this way. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days. So one library is there. If we go first 3 days, it is fixed charge for everybody. And an additional charge for each day thereafter. After third day, if you want to keep some books extra day, extra charge is there. So each day there is an additional charge. Sarita paid rupees 27 for book kept for 7 days. For 3 days, for everybody's same days. She kept 4 days more. So extra charge will be for 4 days. While Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. So she paid rupees 21. She kept book for 5 days. 3 days she will pay same fixed charge. Then after 3 days, 2 days extra she kept. For 2 days additional charge. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. So we don't know what is the fixed charge for first 3 days. And for additional every day, what is the additional charge we don't know. Let what we don't know, what we will find out, let that be. Let the fixed charge be rupees x for 3 days and additional charge be rupees y. So Sarita paid rupees 27 for 4 days extra. Okay. So according to this statement, first 3 days fixed charge x rupees, next 4 days extra y rupees for additional day, 4 days additional 4 into y, that much amount she has to pay, but totally she has paid how much? 27 rupees. Fixed charge for first 3 days, 4 days additional charge per day y rupees 4 into y, and that much she has to pay is equal to 27 rupees she paid totally. So you call this the equation number 1. And the Susie paid rupees 21 for 2 days. First 3 days same how much fixed charge is, but she kept 5 days, 2 days extra. For 1 day, y rupees extra means 2 days, 2 y rupees she has to pay for additional charge 2 days. So totally she paid 21 rupees. According to the statement, you write the equation x plus 2y is equal to 21. You call this as equation number 2. So solving one on equation 1 and 2 by elimination method. You write both the equation x plus 4y is equal to 27 and x plus 2y is equal to 21. So same variable is there. If I change the sign of this, so then this variable is going to eliminate. So I'll change the sign of all the three. Then this variable will eliminate. Plus 4y minus 2y is plus 2y is equal to plus 27 minus 21 is 6. Subtract and bigger number sign is 40. 6 by 2y is equal to 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are. Y value we got it 3. Y value means what is nothing but it is nothing but additional charge per day. So y is equal to 3 I got it. Substitute this y value in one of this equation. So I consider first equation x plus 4y is equal to 27. In place of y I substituted 3 because I got the value of y variable. Substitute simplify, you will get x value is equal to 15. X is equal to x plus 12 is equal to 27. 12 you take it this side, it becomes 15. X is equal to 15. X is nothing but fixed charge for 3 days. So therefore, fixed charge is rupees 15 for 3 days and additional charge for each extra day is rupees 3. Y value I got it rupees 3 and x value I got it rupees 15. The rupees 15 is a fixed charge for 3 days and this is extra additional day for each day. The extra amount that is rupees 3. Okay children, this much only they told for us to find out. What they told for us to find out? that will keep it like that be x a variable, any variable you can keep it and you can find out the value of that. Then that is the answer for that question. Okay children, copy down and practice.